was expecting that. Kasi wala dun sa ASAP.
Oh, meron na.
Yay! Parang birthday natin ngayon. Thank you guys.
Happy Brain of Brain.
Actually,
Si Mama Ray. Sige po yung maleta dito. Sir, kunin ko po ito. Kunin ko na po yung presyo. Sir po. Video daw.
say, Virgil, we're here in Birmingham already! Kasi ako nung labas, talagang
Ito yung malaki. Tapos ito po kay Glenn.
Well, DJ. Yeah, we are. No, it's something that I think we're all truly excited about. There are many. No, it's something that I think we're all truly excited about. There are many new faces. We didn't change the last time we did back in. All of the artists that you see here, even lang kami that were here the first time. And it was an experience that we've only been looking forward to. Now we
So, okay na lang.
Go.
Okay, first and foremost, welcome to England. Kumusta po yung biyahe?
Yes! Pusog na pusog! Pusog na pusog kasi lang.
James Reid! Haharanahin kita, saan man tayo magpunta. Magkipang kahit wala na wala. That was like 10 years ago.
Nakilala kita, di ko inaasahang pagkakataon.
Aga naman mag-white wine. May narinig ako dito white wine na in-order.
Gusto mo tayo?
Ako nga Sprite lang eh, white wine talaga.
Sabay na tayo. Ano, masaya panoorin si Michael Jackson.
Sige.
Habulin niyo ako. Habulin niyo na ako. Habulin niyo na ako.
Hindi na
Nakakita ko! Hindi ako ready doon ha. Kung ready ako doon, kahit dalawa kayo. Okay! Game!
Oh boy.
Sir Ogie, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo sa aking birthday. At kayo lang inimbita ko sa birthday ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong paghanda. Ngayon, yaman din lamang, wala namang pagkain.
Meron po!
Kahit
Meron ho!
wala ko nakikita eh. Meron doon. So, hihingi sana ako ng pera sa inyo, pero kidding aside, sino ba dito may ticket na? Eh, ba't pa tayo nagpo-promote? Meron pa na silang ticket. No, but really, thank you so much for your support. I think ASAP was here 10 years ago.
Yes.
In London, so we're back and they are back. Kami first time po namin ni Regine. So we're so excited to be performing for all of you. Maraming salamat sa inyo pagtanggap sa amin. Tandaan nyo lang, sa nalalapit na eleksyon, lahat po ng pinangako namin ay hindi matutupad. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Kung bumalik dito sa England, nilook forward ko talaga lagi na makapiling at makasama muli yung mga OFW since sinanay ko OFW. Kaya sana po ay magdiwang at magsaya po tayo ngayong August 30. Lahat po kayo ba pupunta po? Hello po everybody! I'm Masha po. Thank you for welcoming me here. It's my first time here po. I'm so glad to be here. Manonood naman po kayo ng August 30. Kaya makikita nyo din po ako doon. Pero mag-enjoy po tayo doon and let's also enjoy today. Thank you po!
Hello po! Good afternoon po, good evening po sa inyo. Natin po akong masample, pero magkita din po tayo sa August 30. Maraming salamat po. Thank you!
Hello po mga kaibigan! Ewan ko po pag ano po, parang naduduwag kami pag ganito po na impromptu at nag-feedback. Kamusta po kayo? Alam ko talaga gusto nyo ko pasampulin kasi ang ganda ko talaga. Char. Pero maraming salamat po for being here with us. Sobrang saya po namin na makakadaupang palad namin kayo. Excited po ba kayo? Yes! Kaya naman ito na po ang kaibigan ko, Eric Santos.
Hello guys! Hello po! So good to see all of you here and mamaya po magkwentuhan tayo. Alright? Okay.
Hi everyone! Are you excited about August 30? Yes? Ready na kayo sa ASAP? Well, we're very excited. I speak for everybody here and those who are not here. Sobrang excited kami to perform for you to bring ASAP, the Kapamilya spirit, here to Birmingham. So thank you so much for having us. The one and only Regine Velasquez.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Sabi niya, tinanong kayo ni Martin kung ready na nga ba kayo? Yes! Mabuti pa kayo, kami hindi pa.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Birthday na ni Ogie! Birthday ni Ogie! Ngayon! Yes! Yes! Ow! Happy birthday!
I was expecting kasi wala dun sa ASAP.
Meron ah!
Yay! Parang pwede natin ngayon.
Yes!
Thank you guys.
Happy Bane of Real.